Hello students, I'm Gaganadeepa. This is a video on sensory abnormalities. So, in this chapter you have to study only two syndromes, which is very important. The most asked one is usually Brown-Sequard syndrome, very important, which is usually for 5 marks or 3 marks, as well as Syringomyeline syndrome, which is usually asked for 3 marks. So, Syringomyeline syndrome. What happens in this syndrome? So the central canal of the spinal cord is affected. The central canal of the spinal cord gets affected. So it is a disease where there is lesion. Lesion is nothing but defect or any effect around the central canal of the spinal cord. You can see here. So on the same side, in the sense on the lateral side, what happens in the sense LPT? Pain and temperature are lost. Pain as well as temperature is lost. But whereas in the dorsal spinothalamic tract, both the touch and posture is not lost. So pain and temperature are lost in lateral spinothalamic tract. Whereas in dorsal spinothalamic tract, touch and posture are not lost. Remember this properly. I'll be doing a brief explanation about these spinothalamic tracts in the next class. So next we'll be dealing about the Brown-Sequard syndrome, which is very important, usually asked for 5 marks or 3 marks. So Brown-Sequard syndrome, you can see the spinal cord and half of the spinal cord is affected or paralyzed. So paralyzation occurs only on the half side of the spinal cord. So Brown-Sequard syndrome occurs in the hemisection of the spinal cord. I have said you only half of the spinal cord is getting affected. So what might be the cause of Brown-Sequard syndrome? First, there might be any injury to the spinal cord, or there might be growth or development of tumor cells in the spinal cords. It affects only half of the spinal cord. Lesion. What happens on the same side and what happens on the opposite side? So on the same side, what are lost? In the sense on the dorsal column pathway, what are lost? Fine touch sensation, like you'll be losing fine touch sensation. Proprioception. Proprioception is nothing but it is the ability to identify the objects in space, but here you'll be losing that ability. You can't find out the sensation. You'll be losing some sensations, so of tendons, muscles, joints, vibrations. Then you'll be losing your tactile discrimination. 2-point discrimination will be lost. Then these are lost on the same side. So what are lost? Fine touch, FPT, fine touch, proprioception, tactile discrimination. Fine touch, proprioception, tactile discrimination are lost on the same side. And if we speak about the opposite side, on the anterior lateral pathway, it is also called as AL pathway. So what are lost? Same as we spoke that time, PT. Pain as well as temperature or thermal sensation will be lost. Same side, FPT, fine touch, proprioception, tactile discrimination. Opposite side, pain, temperature, PT will be lost. It also damages the corticospinal tract. So there are also something called as corticospinal tract. I'll be dealing about this in the next class. So what happens if there is damage in this corticospinal tract? Cortico is cortex. Spinal is spinal cord. So cortico is cortex and spinal is spinal cord. So there is a tract between the cortex as well as spinal cord. So if there is any damage in these tracts, we'll be getting muscle weakness as well as spasm, contraction of the muscles will be occurring on the same side of the body. Muscle weakness as well as spasm of these muscles. So to conclude, Syringomyeline syndrome is defect or there is affection is occurring. Central canal is getting affected. In Brown-Sequard syndrome, half of the hemisection of the spinal cord is getting affected. Very important question, Brown-Sequard syndrome. So if you like my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.